Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I would love to share something that has been on my mind for the last few days. I wasn't planning to make this video. In fact, I thought I'd just watch a few clips, scroll past them and move on like we all usually do. But that didn't happen. The more I watched, the more I felt like I wasn't watching a protest anymore. I was watching people, and honestly, that was stayed with me. I'm not here to talk about politics or tell anyone what to believe. I'm just sharing what I personally observed and what it made me reflect on. The first thing that caught my attention wasn't the speeches or the headlines, it was the people behind them. I saw students who had traveled long distance just to be present. I saw volunteers serving food and water in the middle of the heat. I saw medical teams helping people who needed support. And I saw people quietly picking up garbages so the place stayed clean. Some stood with banners for hours. Some experienced themselves through music, expressed themselves through music, and some through poetry and some through art. I even noticed people wearing costume like Spider-Man and a Power Ranger, bringing a little energy and a few smiles to those around them. At first I smiled too. Then I stopped and thought, none of these people are contributing in the same way, but every single one of them had found their own way to help. And that made me ask myself a question. When did we start believing that contribution only counts if we are once leading? Watching all of this reminded me that meaningful change is rarely built by one person. It's built by hundred or thousand or ordinary people deciding to do one small thing. One person serves water, another offers medical help, another keeps the place clean, another simply stands beside someone who needs encouragement. On their own, those actions may seem small. Together they create something much bigger than any individual. Then something unexpected happened. I stopped thinking about everyone else and I started thinking about myself. I asked myself a question that honestly wasn't easy to answer. If I had been there, would I have shown up? I wanted my answer to be yes, but the truth is, I wasn't completely sure. That wasn't a comfortable feeling, but it also made me realize something important. Maybe courage isn't something that suddenly appears when life presents us with a difficult moment. Maybe courage is something we build little by little. Every time we choose responsibility over comfort, every time we help without expecting recognition, every time we decide to contribute instead of assuming someone else will do it. That thought stayed with me long after I stopped watching those videos. Eventually, the protest came to an end and the headlines moved on. Everyone will remember different part of it. Some will remember the speeches, some will remember the outcome, and some will remember the debates. When I look back, I think I will remember something much quieter. I remember the student who stood for hours, the volunteers who keep serving, the medical team, the people cleaning the area, the music, the poetry, and the creativity. The feeling that everyone was watching the same simple question, asking the same simple question was, what can I to do help? Whether we agree with every opinion or not, I think that a question worth asking is every part of our life. Because contribution isn't only for big moments. It's something we can practice every single day. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room. You don't have to be all the answers. You don't have to be perfect. Sometimes making a difference begin with a much simpler question. How can I contribute today? That's a lesson I will carry with me. Not because someone told me to think that way, but because I watch ordinary people remind me that courage doesn't always look the same. Sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's quiet. But when enough people choose to contribute in their own way, they remind us of something very powerful. No meaningful change is ever built by one person alone. It's built by people who decide that even a small act of contribution is worth making. And honestly, that what stayed with me the most. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.